Hi everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of the Technology Days here at Wixom in Michigan. I'm the product manager for the FX Linear machine, and today we're going to be speaking a little bit about the FX7, which is our premium machine in the FX range. The FX7 is ideal for people that want more flexibility or greater flexibility, increased spindle power, and more advanced loader options, so increased loader capacities. When we look at the FX machine range, or all the Anchor machine range, we have a polymer concrete base. It helps with the rigidity, the stability of the machine. It's the latest in rigidity and technology, what we do. And we also, the FX range has linear motors and obviously linear scales as well. So it really helps with that accuracy and maintaining those surface finishes and control when you're doing profile tools or end mills, corner radius tools. It helps with all that control for the tool. When we look at the machine a little bit closer, we can see that it has a single spindle, but it has a 6 wheel pack. So in the back we have a wheel pack station where we hold 6 wheel packs. It has a load and an unload or a preload station, so the next wheel is ready to go when needed. Wheels are changed by the Fanuc robot that's in the machine. The robot also does the automation of the tool moving in and out of the pallets to the work holding. With the spindle, it's a 19 kilowatt spindle, so it's the highest spindle range within the FX platform, and it uses a HSKF taper adapter. So it's quite a rigid system with plenty of power to do those grinding applications that you need for small tools right up through to 16 and to 20 millimeter tools. Its productive range is in that 12 to 16 mil, but we can do tools up to 200 if we need to. With the wheel changer, it's quite unique because as it changes the wheel packs, whether it wheel pack 1 or wheel pack 6, it has the coolant manifolds to change with it. So there's no need to reset up the hoses or as you change wheels to adjust them or make those finer movements. So it actually changes the wheel pack and the manifold all in one. So that's one of really good advantage or a feature that we have. Moving into some of the accessories that we have, this machine here is fitted with the iView camera, which is a semi-automatic measuring process machine or vision system where we can measure the surfaces of the tool and make sure that we get that tool set up correctly. Another option that's fitted to this machine is Laser Ultra, which is an in-process measurement feature which will contour the tool and make automatic compensation based off the laser measurements that it gives you. Today we're running the RFID chip system. So the RFID system is ideal for people that want to do regrinds, and it doesn't matter whether you're doing small batches of tools or large batches of tool. The RFID gives you flexibility, so you don't need to spend that time grouping tools in sizes or tool types or diameters. We can use any different tool type. We just sit away at a workstation over here. We look at the tool, inspect the tool, see how much it needs to be reground, program that in, scan the RFID, place it in the tool carrier or the pallet, and the machine does the rest. So it doesn't matter what order we put the tools in or configuration. Once the RFID is scanned, it's quite easy to the machine to pull up the program, grind that particular tool. We can also add tools as we go through the grinding cycle, so it's sort of dynamic where we don't need to have them in any particular order because once again the RFID reads that code. As I said, this is the premium machine within the FX range. It has the highest spindle power, greater flexibility within the platform. It's a small compact platform but has quite a large working envelope. So once again, if you're looking for that flexibility or the higher capacity in robot loading in automation and the higher spindle power, this is a machine for you.